Blow again.
Good
Excellent.
job.
Yay. Good boy. Stick out your tongue. No, and not your hands. No, get your hands out of that mush. Yeah, we need to play that maybe. Okay. Whoop. Yep. Yeah.
You got blow?
I'm kind of losing you there, but we're almost done. Okay, here we go.
Huh?
Excellent. Ooh.
Good job.
What's this? I don't know. Just paper. Where's that tongue? Oh, that was good. La 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 la. Oh, let's try that again. Head up. Oh, I know I'm losing you, aren't I, Jeffrey? Yep. You're like slowly extending and